Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming essentials now. Power the Google Home Mini and open the Google Home app. Tap the Home Mini device card, go to Settings and choose Audio Paired Bluetooth Devices. Turn Bluetooth on your phone and keep it within about 6 meters of the Mini. Once done, tap Pair Bluetooth Speaker in the app. This tells the Mini to enter pairing mode so your phone can discover it. Stay on this screen while you search for devices on your phone. Now, switch to your phone's Bluetooth settings and scan for nearby devices. The Mini will appear as a recognizable name like Living Room Speaker. Tap that name to pair. If your phone asks for confirmation, accept it. There's no PIN required for most phones. Once paired, open a music app and set the audio output to the Google Home Mini. Make sure the app's volume and your phone's volume are up, otherwise you'll hear nothing even though pairing succeeded. Finish by testing playback and adjusting volumes on both devices. If audio is intermittent, go back to the Google Home app and unpair the device, then repair from your phone. That often clears handshake errors. If repairing fails, restart the Mini by unplugging it for 10 seconds and plug back in. This resets temporary Bluetooth faults. If it still won't connect, verify your phone isn't already connected to another Bluetooth output.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.